How you doing today? I'm speaking with Dr. What's your name?
Myself.
Alright, so today I'll be doing a couple of cranial nerve tests on you. If anything hurts, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know as well. May I begin? Alright, now I'll be testing for cranial nerve number 1. So when's the last time you lost your sense of smell?
About 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago? Okay, so now I'm just going to inspect your nostrils, alright?
Okay.
Okay, and I'll be looking for any occlusions. Okay, now I'll move on to, now I'll be testing each nostril with a different scent. Okay, so I'll have you close one nostril for me, have your eyes closed, and let me know what that smells like, or if you can smell it.
Cinnamon.
Okay. You can relax. Now I'll have you close the other nostril for me. Let me know what you smell. If you smell anything. Can you smell it?
Is that coffee?
Alright, now we're moving on to cranial nerve number 8, the whisper test. Okay, so I'll have you cover one side of your ear, and I'll whisper something in your ear and I'll have you repeat, alright?
Okay. I like blueberries.
You come over there. Whisper test. So basically I'll have the suit for it, and I'll strike it, and I'll place it on top of your forehead, and on top of your head, you'll let me know when it stops, okay? Can you hear it on either side equally or?
I hear them
Both sides, okay. So normal will be the patient will hear the sound of equals on both sides. The positive indications is conductive deafness, which is sound lateralizing to the bad ear, and another positive is sensory neural deafness, which is sound lateralizing to the good. Forming the Ryan's test. So I'm gonna strike the tuning fork. I'm gonna place it on each mastoid. And then I'll place it in front of your ear, okay? Let me know when it stops. I'll be timing this, by the way.
This time.
This side. Let me know when it stops.
It stopped.
Now I'm going to go in front of your ear. Let me know when it stops.
It stopped.
For this ear, let me know when it stops.
It stopped.
So the normal would be air conduction would be equal to the bone conduction. The abnormals would be the air conduction is relatively or equal to the bone conduction, and another abnormal would be the air conduction and the bone conduction will be absent or decreased. All right, now we'll move on to the Fukuda step test. So basically, I'll have you march in place for me for 50 steps, and then I'll have you stop. You can start when I let you know. So the positive would be that the person would move more to one side, and it would indicate that there's vestibular lesions on that same side. Okay, you march in place. I'll come here with you. You have your eyes closed with me. Maneuver. So I'll have the patient be seated, and I'll sit them down. Okay, you can sit over for me.
This one?
Yep. I have your feet over here. Don't worry. Feet over here and sit up for me. So I'm gonna have the patient's head face at a 45-degree angle, and then lay them down into supine position quickly. Now switch sides. Okay, positive is starting 2 to 5 seconds after movement and stopping at 30 seconds. And this will indicate a benign positional vertibrio-ocular reflex. So basically I'll have the patient, I'll perform a rotation, extension flexion, and lateral flexion of the head. Okay, so I'll have you look straight at me, okay, and keep eye contact with me, and I'm going to rotate your head to the left, rotate to the right. I'm gonna do a little bit faster. And I'm gonna flex your head, stick your head, do a little faster. And I'm gonna laterally flex your head, and laterally flex a little faster. So positive would be the patient will be enabled to keep eye contact with me, and that will indicate vestibular lesions.